Hello, Braxton. I can't even talk today. Oh my gosh. It's Mexican redneck or redneck Mexican, however you want to say it. It doesn't matter. I want to show you that it's always good to have a variety of your chickens. And the reason why is because you get like little eggs, big eggs, medium-sized eggs. I'll show you all my chickens. Okay, here's my silkies. Those are my silkies. Come here, silkies. Come on. Look at how cute they are. There they are. My little silkies. Those are my silkies. I got my rooster. He protects my silkies and my other chickens, which are right